If you want the best possible chance at success with your white toner DTF prints, I have 4 tips today that are going to help you to become familiar with your process and be a white toner DTF pro. Okay, tip number 1 is you're always going to process your graphics in the RIP software before you print them. And while it is a good practice, even for your one-step transfers, to put them through the RIP software using the right printer profile, it is essential for your 2-step transfers that you go through certain processes, usually ink removal. And when I say ink removal, I'm talking about rasterization. That's gonna help you to get that soft and flexible, long-lasting look and feel on your graphics. Now, in addition to rasterization, we also have the color knockout. Now, I love the color knockout. It's gonna save you on toner, and it's gonna go even further into breaking up your graphic, making it nice, soft, and wearable. Now, if you skip these steps and you don't do any ink removal, you skip the rasterization, you skip the color knockout, you're gonna find out that the transfers aren't really gonna look and feel the way they should, the way that we all know and love for white toner. I feel like processing in your RIP software is actually one of the biggest advantages to using white toner DTF products. All right, so tip number 2 is gonna be to learn and master the A-B marriage process. Now, the A-B marriage is a key part of the 2-step transfer process that's associated with white toner DTF. Now, this is actually the hardest physical part of the process. Now, I don't say that to discourage anybody. In fact, I say that to encourage you, because once you master the A-B marriage, that's it. Every other step is gonna be an absolute breeze. Once you master the A-B process, you're gonna be able to get consistent results every last stinking time. You're gonna find that the white toner DTF system is a very stable system, meaning once you nail your settings and once you nail your process, that's it. It's not really gonna change. It's not really gonna vary too much. So yes, definitely wanna encourage you to practice and master the A-B marriage. Now, we have a whole video on mastering the A-B marriage, but I should give you a heads up that it is gonna take a little bit of practice, so prepare yourself. Obviously, you're gonna wanna press at the right time, temperature and pressure. There is a little trick to peeling the B sheet smoothly, and that trick is just doing low and slow, nice and careful, of course, but you don't wanna get too distraught if it's not perfect on the first try. It is gonna take you a couple tries, but again, once you've mastered it, you are good to go. A better way to look at it is that every time you fail an A-B test, you're learning what not to do, and that's only gonna help you to fine-tune your skills. Tip number 3, press, peel, and continue to improve your skills. Now, it sounds simple enough, and it's kind of like what I was talking about with the A-B marriage. You're gonna wanna continue practicing the overall white toner DTF process. Now, it's not just gonna be the physical process like the pressing and the peeling. I also want to encourage you to take time to learn the RIP software, play around with different settings, see what's gonna work best for you, see what's gonna work best for your garments. The more you practice, the more you test, the better you're gonna be. And with this practice, you're gonna learn what paper to use when. You're gonna make sure that you always have the right transfer for the right project. Tip number 4. Now, whenever you're doing any sort of promotion, whether it's posting online, a paid ad, you're always gonna wanna use your best white toner DTF projects as an example, because that's gonna entice other people to do business with you. Now, what I like to consider ideal is showing off the absolute best, the maximum, which is gonna be colorful, finely detailed designs on dark fabrics. You see a lot of people out there, they've already gone to the screen print shop, they've already gone to the sublimation shop, the heat transfer vinyl guy, and they've already found out that, hey, to get a specific shirt, like a full color graphic, detailed graphic on a black cotton t-shirt, HTV guy's not gonna do it, sublimation guy's not gonna do it, and then the screen print shop wants them to order at least 30 pieces. So that really creates a unique opportunity. Now, how do you advertise that? You're gonna wanna make yourself a t-shirt. So if you don't have any projects in the pipeline just yet, maybe you're just starting out, be sure to make yourself some really nice samples. Now, as the jobs come in, you're gonna get artwork from a lot of places. It's always a great idea to ask your clients if you can feature their work on your social media. Most of them are gonna say yes because you're promoting their business. all in exchange for a free post? Yes. So doing a post like that featuring your client's work, it's usually a win-win situation and a great way for everybody to get a little bit of exposure. Now, another reason why you want to put out your best products in all of your marketing, and again, by marketing, I mean social media, paid ads, anything that's going to be seen by the public, that's your marketing. Another reason why you want to put out your best, most colorful, most detailed work is because that's going to help erase any fears of your potential customers that you may not be able to handle their work. You see, when they see your crazy cool, super colorful, super detailed graphic, they're going to think, oh, if she can handle that shirt, she can handle my shirt, right? So it just really helps build confidence in potential clients, which is just going to help you close more deals. All right, so those are my 4 tips. And again, these are my 4 tips. I would love to hear what's been working great for your white toner business. In fact, if you've already been successful with your white toner business, or you're looking to be successful with your white toner business, do me a favor, sound off in the comments below. We'd love to get that conversation going in our community. Now, in the meantime, we do have lots of great white toner DTF content like tutorials and other videos available right here on our YouTube channel. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell while you're at it. If you have any questions about white toner DTF products or heat pressing in general, be sure to visit us at heatpressnation.com. You can even schedule a virtual demonstration of our white toner products at heat.press/whitetoner.